but the horn has been going off non-stop. I had to disconnect the battery. The Fiesta C-Tech 2008. On this car the horn keeps going off and it refuses to stay off. So what we'll do is we'll have a look at, we'll take the fuse out. This is only a temporary fix, but it will need to be looked at. But it's just getting too much. The horn itself should be located on the front of the bumper somewhere. Oh no, just above the wheel arch. But anyway, let's find the fuse. Fuse box is located behind the glove. For the diagram. Oh, where is it on this now? So if you still have the owner's manual, you can have a look at that. But you shouldn't really need to because you got the diagram there and we've found it. There's the horn. Okay, so take a look at that. So this should correspond to that, so you don't have to turn upside down. 4 across and 3. Okay, well, 1, 2, 3. So 4 across. So it should be that one then. 10 amp. So we'll have to connect the battery and get some electrical, well, God's sake, electric through it. And then, is it easy to, yeah, it's very easy to pull out. These are spade fuses. Yeah, they're all connected. So that works. Oh, for God's sake. So, let's make a note. So it's the one facing down. Then try it now. Yep. Remember though, this is only a temporary fix. There's a problem with the connector. There's probably something sticking behind there. I don't want to leave it for a while to see what happens because it's just embarrassing